I once walked this valley, between these crimson cliffs where the morning mist dances. Each rock you see, a friend of mine. The light that breaks upon these stones still carries echoes of my time. In my hands, the stone would sing. I was no mere craftsman. I was a storyteller, carving time itself. I learned the language of stone in the court of King Pulakeshin. This idol beside me, it breathes with my soul. It is not just stone. It is my breath immortalized. Badami once pulsed with life, its streets alive with color, sound, and faith. Our king was not a ruler of walls. He was the voice of our land. He bore the weight of a throne with pride and made the rivers sing his name. We did not just carve stones. We revealed the gods. Every blow of our chisel turned rock into gold. Every sculpture was not craft. It was devotion. Here, within these caves, life flowed from stone to soul. But no time remains untouched. Like age on the body, silence crept into our halls. The throne grew cold. When he was gone, the kingdom spoke only in whispers. Now, I remain. Still, among these stones, my carvings, my memories, my homeland, they live here with me. Time has passed, but these walls still hum with the song I once sang.